Do.
Sabi mo, pagandahan tayo ng drawing, ha?
Okay. I'm gonna make something.
Tingnan ko.
You know what I'm doing?
Magaling ako mag-drawing, eh.
Do you know what I'm doing?
I don't know.
I'm drawing.
It's your name, I think.
Yes!
Because it starts with letter Z.
Yes.
That's your name.
Oh my gosh, it looks so
O, Tagalog ka na nga ni. Kaurag ka. Ano? Makaurag niyan.
Kurag.
Pag babakal ka sa Bicol, ano babakalan mo?
Nobody.
Ano babakalan mo? Babakal. Ano yon?
Nothing.
Nothing. Bicol. Bakal ka buray? Ha?
Kuray ka.
Do you know what's buray?
I don't know.
Oh, di mo pala. Ha?
Is it pango?
No. Who is pango? If mama is pango, pango ka din.
Hindi.
Paras tayo pango.
No.
They say, you look like me. Oh. If pango si mama, pango ka din. You don't want to be pango? Yes, pango ka. Promise. Pango ka din. Paras tayo pango. Di, pretty. Sabi, pretty.